Welcome to Dax's Wasteland Workshop. The auto shop diorama is nearly complete. A couple more days and it'll be ready to go to the Kansas City Model Show, May 30th and 31st. If you should happen to be in the area, come by and say hi to me. I would love to talk to you. But you're thinking to yourself, Dax, what are you going to work on after the show? And that's what we're here to talk about today, stash ads. Back in October of last year, when my channel was fairly new, I did a video. It was my hover taxi versus the B90 Fifth Element taxi. And it did pretty well, and I had fun doing that video. So what I wanted to do was have a series of my cars versus other famous Hollywood movie cars or TV cars. And thought the best thing to start with would be the DeLorean from Back to the Future. So let's take a look inside this box just to see what we can do with it. Let's check it out. All right. All kinds of cool sci-fi parts. Now, my plan is to make it my version. So a lot of these sci-fi parts, it's not going to look like the movie version of the DeLorean. It should look quite a bit different. Now, one of my problems is the DeLorean is stainless steel, so I won't be able to rust it, but I can make it look old and weathered. And any of the parts I put on it, of course, if they're not stainless steel, I can make those rusted as well. But it can be gritty and dirty and the way I like it. So I have never done a kit review before, but a lot of cool parts. I'm going to use these to make some rear thrusters. Like the Mr. Fusion food processor. I don't think I'm going to use these side wiring. What is that? Side wiring? Whatever this thing is, I probably won't use this. Got some detailed hoses, all kinds of neat stuff. Of course, I'm going to do the interior up really good. I may make it a single seat. I do that in a lot of my hover cars. They are purely for going fast, pure race. And these must be part of the side intakes. I don't know what these are. What are these? Oh, that's part of the rear thruster thingies. More of this conduit. What if I had to make it my version, the Wasteland Workshop version, only using the parts from the kit? No, I couldn't do that. I have to use my own parts. I have to be able to tweak it a little more. So I really have no idea what all these are for. Do the wheels fold up? Do they actually fold up? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Holy cow. The wheels fold up. I didn't know that. I really did not know that. Well, I probably won't. I probably won't use that. I personally don't like the way they did it in the movie where they use the wheels as the thrusters. To me it seemed like a cheesy way to go. But that's just me. I'm going to beef this thing up a little bit. It's a really cool looking car. It is so flat and wide. Put big intakes up on the top. You know I gotta have my roof intakes and side intakes. All right, let's get this out of the way. Yeah, that's gonna be. So it already has the conduit on the side. I don't know if I'm gonna leave that or take that off. I'm probably gonna try to take that off. I don't want it to be any reminder that it's the Back to the Future DeLorean, other than the fact that it's a DeLorean. I really don't want to use a whole bunch of those parts and people say, well, those look just like the one from the DeLorean. I like it to look different. So some kind of side thrusters, some kind of something coming out the rear. I may take the back off, do something with big thrusters out the back, intake on the top, intake through the side, through these side windows. Really cool though. Some intakes for the side thrusters here, 2 intakes for the side thrusters here. Big wing in the back. Excited? Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Wouldn't that be cool if I could make the doors open? So check this out. Does it say it anywhere on this box that the wheels fold? No. You know, and I had never really looked at the kit before when people posted online because, you know, it's the standard DeLorean. I had no idea the wheels folded up. It doesn't look like it anywhere on the box here. I'm offering channel memberships if you're interested in helping support the channel. Memberships will help buy model kits, paints, supplies, all that good stuff that I need to keep producing my cars. I'm not one of those model builders that has an inventory of 60 car kits ready to be built. I'll show you the inventory in a second. Members will receive early access to videos. The next tier would receive members only videos, and top tier will receive a spot on the illustrious walls to have their graffiti tag placed. If you're interested in memberships, please click the join button below to see the other perks. And thank you so much. There's my model stash. And some of those have already been built. Yeah, that's it. All right. Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am. I've got to have a knife here somewhere. This one came in recently. I have not had a chance to open it yet. It's hard to not look in these. But you know, when you have a YouTube channel, you're expected to do a review. All right, the big reveal. Check it out. We're gonna be flying over that. We're just gonna be flying that big jump. There's our glass T-tops. Oh, check that out. What do I see when I see T-tops? I see a place for two intakes. Air, intaking air to go down to the turbines in the back. Yeah, how do you make that work though? Don't know. And then you got it's got to have the Firebird on the front. I mean, it has to have the Firebird on it. And, I want it to be rusty. I have so much better an experience building when I can make it rusty. But these little vents on the side, I can't even think. These little vents on the side could be a place for me to put flaps or boosters. Yeah, really excited to see what we can do with this. Now it's going to have to be black. It will have to be black, like the Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am. Wow, a lot of parts in this kit. Trying to see if I can use any of this. Interesting rims. Right here, I can make some kind of interesting turbine with that. There's a freaking hat. What? Are you kidding? 2 models with surprises. One of them has folding wheels and the other has a cowboy hat. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Some fan belts I won't use. That'll go in my stash of fan belts. Cool dashboard. Check out that dashboard. I think in the Trans Ams, weren't they like a reflective, they had a reflective pattern. I don't know what you call it. And a cool grill on the front. Where's my bird? Where's my bird? Oh, there's my bird. Yeah, right? A hover car with a big bird on the hood. Oh, yes. That's going to be rad. Cool detail interior. Yeah. So I will probably start the DeLorean first. And here's a little look at the auto shop diorama as I promised. Thanks for sticking around. I'm not going to give too much away, but this is almost done. I need to do some electrical wiring, and this thing will be lit up like a Christmas tree. I need to distress these decals a little bit more, add some grease and dirt everywhere, and more auto parts. So, hey, I appreciate your time for sticking around to the end. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Give me a like, and I appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.